Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in today's video, we are going to be showing you, I'm going to be showing you some of my fidget toys because I was thinking I'm going to be doing some fidget videos with all my fidget toys, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so here we have my rainbow puppet. It's very nice colors and it's actually very clicky, so if you listen. And then, okay, and then I have a microphone here so you can hear even better. Okay, there we go. So it is very satisfying. I'll put that over there. And then next I have this puppet. It's like a mintish greenish kind of color. And I got it out of a fidget set on Amazon. So let me get my microphone. Okay, so that's that puppet. Okay, here are some of my slimes. So I have this slime made by Eve. She does very, very good slimes. I have this heart jiggly slime. This pink unicorn slime. It's also a very thick slime. And this emoji slime, which is also thick slime. First, we're going to start with this one. So it's really stretchy. It's also like, because I had it outside, it's kind of cold, so that's why. Get my microphone. So that is that yellow thick emoji slime. It's very good. You cannot do bubbles with it because it's a thick, kind of jiggly-ish kind of slime. So you're not able really to do bubbles. And then the pink unicorn slime is pretty much the same. It's a very nice color. So we cannot do bubbles with this either. So guys, the color is like a neonish kind of pink. Let me get my microphone. So that's that one. I really love the color. It's not as stretchy as the yellow slime, but it is super cute. The lid and everything, it's so adorable. It actually is pretty stretchy, like if you look, but it's not as stretchy as some of the other slimes. Okay, now this is my heart jiggly slime. It's like a roaring red color. It is so pretty though. It is kind of sticky, like it sticks to the lid a couple of times. But what I love about it, like, and then if you turn it over, you don't pull it like I just did there, kind of comes out in a heart shape from the lid. Okay, sorry guys. So yeah, so I love the noises. This is actually pretty stretchy for sorry, I can't talk. For jiggly slime. Wait, let me get my microphone again. So it's just so relaxing to play with, you guys. It's really stretchy. And it's really, really good. And it can like break up into parts, but when you do, and if you get it back, if you just squish it, it all goes back together. And listen. So cool. I just love this slime. So satisfying. Okay, so let's put that back in there. It cannot really poke. Like you can poke it, but it just doesn't leave any marks or do any noises. The lid is kind of hard. Okay, there we go. And then last but not least, we have this slime that you've made. So I love this slime. It's like on the camera it looks like grey, but it's actually a galaxy color. Like in real life, if you see it up in person. It's really good. I have to add a bit more lotion, she said, because it's gone a little bit hard, but it's so good. I just love this slime. Okay, now put them over here. And now we can move on to our next fidget. So I'm going to start with, actually I'm going to start with this. So it is, sorry, it has some dust on it. I mean, that's glitter. But It's like a little shell kind of. It has really cute eyes. I mean, look how cute that is. So cute. And when you squish it, these Orbeez in a ball, it's like a stress ball, are supposed to be the pearls. So you know those type of shells like pearls? So cool. Wait, let me get my microphone for this. And it's actually like pretty big, because this is the size of my hand, right? And this is the size of it. Like, it just fits perfectly in my hand. It's so cute. Okay guys, now I am going to show you this turtle. So this is one of my favorite fidgets I have, okay? So it looks like just like a shell, and then it has like a smile. But if you press here, it pops out, and that's actually its nose, so those are its eyes. And then I'll do it again. It is so cute and so cool. That's so cute. Okay. I'm gonna put that just there. Now I'm gonna show you two little like plushies. So I have this one, which is super soft. It's literally like a squishy, like it's very slow rising. And then this is a mini Squishmallow. If you guys haven't heard of Squishmallows, they are so squishy. They're like marshmallows. I have a ginormous Squishmallow in my room. It's like, it said it was like 30 centimeters tall. But yeah, so that's that. And it's so soft. It's kind of big, like that's that to my hand, you know? So that's them two. Put them over there. Now I have some monkey noodles. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of monkey noodles, but they are super cool. So I have this purple monkey noodle. It's that kind of color, purple, and they're super stretchy. Like, if I could show you guys right now, it's so stretchy. So I just moved the camera up so I can show you. And it's still stretching, you guys. So stretchy. So they're super cool. I have a blue one, dark blue. Neonish highlight pink. It looks red, but it is pink. And then orange. So cool. And if you like tie a knot in one, because it's that kind of material, it comes straight back out. And I even have monkey noodles in bigger versions, like they're thick. So like, here's a normal monkey noodle to a jumbo monkey noodle. It's also much longer. Look at the difference. Look at like the width. They're very stretchy as well. So that's them. Okay, next, excuse me guys. Next I have some of these. They're called marble mesh. So I have loads. I have about 15 of them. So many. So I'm not sure if you guys can see or anything, but it has a marble in there. And then this is like a net, which you can go like that, squeeze it together, and the marble goes all over. Stretch it, or just push the marble up and down. So I have loads of them. Okay, now I have some mochis. They're kind of dirty. Like this one's very dirty because I dropped it outside and I was doing some fidget trading, but it's fine. So I got these in a fidget set. So I got a koala. I gave one to my sister, which was a bunny. I have a koala. So cute. Look how cute that face is. It's also very stretchy. We have a pig. They're actually kind of big. Like, look how wobbly they're. Like, they're nearly the length of my finger. They're about like that one. They're actually really good. Then we have a unicorn, which is very jiggly. So cute. Okay, now we have one of my favorite fidgets, my wacky track. It makes clicky noises, right? So if we go, I got my microphone so you guys can hear. Okay, so it's like wacky tracks are so fun. Like whenever you can like wrap them around your hands and everything, it's so cool. Whenever I'm stressed, like I love playing with them. They are so fun. Okay, next I have this. It's like a game controller. So it has some buttons here. Clicky buttons. So clicky buttons and normal buttons. So if I get my microphone. Listen. They're normal ones. Here at the side is like a joystick which moves around and everything. Here is these things like that you can roll, and on the other side there's one, but it has little, you can see little things on it that kind of massage your fingers. And then it also has one at the side. You can get your thumb and go like that, or in your fingers. And then here is like a switch that goes straight back up. Then on the other side, guys, this is really cool. I got this out of Fidget trade off of one of my friends. So yeah, has a switch. And she got this out of a fidget set on Amazon as well. And then here is this thing that can turn. It's one of the best game controllers I have ever played with. Okay, now I have my bicycle chain. I love bicycle chains. They are so fun to play with. And once you get one, and you just get used to it by going like, so you put it on here and you push in the middle and then flip and you keep going. And then it's like so fun. Or if you're not able to do that, you can just go like this. Yeah, so that's that. This I have here is like a stress bouncy ball. So it's really squishy. It's fast rising, but it's so squishy. It's very bouncy. Oh, there it goes. Okay guys, I got it back. So I got two in a fidget set off of Amazon. One with a happy face and another one with a sad face, but I have lost the one with a sad face. But guys, it's very, very bouncy. So that's that. I'm going to show you guys one of my squishies. I don't have many squishies, but I love, this is my favorite squishy. So it's a waffle with like kind of sprinkle, like ice creams with sprinkle on it. It's a gold at the squares. I think I might be in a mood, you know, like homeschooling. It's not that fun. So that's that. It's actually like pretty slow rising. So that's that squishy. Okay. I have this, right? So it's not really a fidget toy. It's a tiny little pepper. And if I go up close, if you put it to your ear, it's so satisfying. So here's my microphone. So it's really, really satisfying. So for this part, you might want to put the phone to your ear or whatever device you're on. So it's like you are cutting sand nearly. So satisfying. And guys, why wouldn't I show you a bigger squishmallow? This is actually the size of my hand. It's a panda unicorn from Claire's. It is super cute. Like, look at that adorable face. So if I get this squishmallow, so this is about, I don't know, 8 centimeters tall, and this is like, I don't know, I think that's 18. No, not 18. I'm not sure what, but yeah. But if I can keep them there. So I have that squishmallow. This is a bit bigger, this bunny squishmallow. Hang on, let me move the camera. Okay, so small, biggerish, bit bigger, much bigger, and really, really big. So what I love about these two squishmallows is that these came together, and this is a tie-dye bunny with a pouch. So you can put the bunny in the pouch. So yeah, that's all my fidget toys. For now, that's only half my fidget toys. I don't want to show them all because I'd be here for nearly an hour. So this has been going on for 23 minutes now. So like 22 minutes, just going 23 now. Okay, so that is all my fidget toys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, 100 subscribers, a very big surprise for you guys. Okay, so bye.